I was really excited to grow the Cherry Falls tomato because while I do have space to grow regular sized tomato varieties, I always think it's worth seeing what you can grow in a container. It is a determinate bush variety that I think should be grown in containers or hanging baskets and not in the ground or in raised beds because it does have a cascading growth habit. This variety is quite prolific, and I felt like the plant was really strong all season. And even though it's considered a determinate variety, I got tomatoes from it all season. And when the plant started to look worse for wear, with a bit of sun scald and then some fungal disease, I pruned a lot of the plant off, and some new growth showed up. And the plant did really well for a bit after that, which was nice to see. I really enjoyed the flavor of this tomato. It had a really classic cherry tomato flavor that was really sweet, and on the Brix meter, it had a reading of 9.3. And for tomatoes, that is considered pretty sweet. These were perfect for snacking and they were great in salads. And because of how prolific it was, I really do feel this is a great variety for container gardeners to grow and for balcony gardeners, especially because growing it in a hanging basket could be a great way to get a lot of tomatoes while maximizing your space. And even though, as I mentioned earlier, I am not limited to growing tomatoes in containers, this is likely going to be one that I grow most, if not every season, so that I can save room for other varieties that wouldn't do as well in a container.